Oh, no, 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 no.
Yeah.
I know stutter.
No GPS.
No GPS. No GPS. Oh, no. Idea. Idea. No. Ay, no. Oh, no. Thank you. Thank you.
My God, we finally made it. That was like a freaking mission. We got a song towel. There's like probably 15 of us, so it's already squishy, and it's like 30 degrees today. And then we went to like the completely wrong place. It was like maybe like 40 minutes from here. And it was just like this lake, and he was trying to tell us that yeah, waterfall, and we were like, that's a lake. And then we were so close to getting on this boat. Like he was saying, get on the boat and then you'll go to the waterfall. And yeah, we were so close to getting on it. But thank goodness we didn't, because then we went and spoke to one of the locals spoke to our taxi driver, and he pretty much said he knew it from there. So then we're finally here. We arrived. It's so beautiful here. It's like this big open park area. Oh, and we drove into this this national park thing. We all had to pay 100 baht to get in. We thought we were going to the waterfall, but turns out it wasn't the waterfall. But I'm pretty sure we got our money back. I think Dean's got it, so we'll just sort that later. But yeah, so excited to be here. We drove for 3 hours. It was only meant to be an hour drive, but we drove for 3 hours. It's insane and sweaty and gross, and now I'm starving. So we're gonna eat mangoes and papaya and dragon fruit and stuff like that. We're going down the stairs to the bottom of the waterfall so that we can climb up it. So pretty.
So good about vlogging and making like a YouTube channel. If you lose your phone, you've got that on the web.
Okay, they end. I was just like, they just end?
Like I was in Portugal in February and I lost my camera. Compared to that, it's flat. I still feel my calves. Oh really? I went yesterday. Oh. And for a Thai massage afterwards, which I think was my biggest mistake.
Oh
it's
really?
Not for me.
Yeah, they're so brutal, aren't they?
Yeah. And literally the lady that she was really kind and gentle even.
Yeah.
And it still was too much.
No, I don't like it at all.
No, maybe next time I'll try a foot massage.
Yeah, foot massage is good.
Maybe those are nicer.
Yeah. Oh, little butterfly. Must be good luck.
I'm like Gandalf.
That looks yummy. Right, I'm going to try and climb it now. It's so much better than the pictures. It's amazing. Some bits you have to be careful of, like these green bits, they're really slippery, and this muddy stuff here. But if you tread on this stuff, oh that's pretty slippery actually. If you tread on this stuff here, you just grip. It's like sandpaper, pretty much. So we're all climbing to the top. And the kitties are down there playing with our new friend, Ellen. It's pretty amazing. We've all just finished eating our fruit. Okay, Mila, gonna climb up? Maybe that way's the easiest. That way over there. That way's the easiest. The water is crystal clear. It's so beautiful. What are you doing? Oh, you got some sand. And the sun's come out. Wow. Yeah. Wow. This is amazing, isn't it? Wish we could live here. Well, we kind of do. We live an hour away from it. Yeah. Wonder where Daddy is. There's Mila up there. They're helping her climb. Oh, she's such a daredevil. I didn't even go all the way to the top yet, and she wants to get up there. Oh dear. I'm looking after her. For me, you went all the way to the top. Was Daddy up there?
You're the big girl. You went first, didn't you?
Wow.
I ended up first.
Wow, well done. You want to go again? Oh my god.
I want to go with Mommy.
Daddy up there, he just climbed the whole thing. No, come back down the hard way. You can get up to the top and take the stairs down. Oh, are you alright?
I'm so unlucky in waterfalls. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm so unlucky in waterfalls.
More people have just arrived. More vegan families. What are you doing? Hmm? What is it? Shoes?
You nappy on?
Oh, you did a wee? Oh, you didn't have done a poo. What did you do? A wee? No. Chilling out. Then we're going to go back to the Marina Inn and have, we'll go to the market, the fruit market first, and then go and have a little party, a fruit party. This place is just amazing. I'm so glad it's only like an hour away. I think it'll have to be like a once a month. What do you think, Mila? The water is just so crystal clear. Look at you! Wow, what are you making? Mud pies, ew. And some rocks over there. They're what? Ah. We'll hide away in there.